If I'm honest, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just wandering the ruins, looking for a place to start. If I'm honest, I don't know who I am. All I see is a man who's waiting for a wake-up call. So won't you touch this heart that doesn't have a song to sing, and sing it to me, and sing it to me. Open up my mind, but can I find a melody, and sing it to me, sing it to me. Keep singing.
Today we begin our lives together. I promise before our family and friends to be your faithful husband.
I promise before our family and friends to be your faithful wife.
I choose to live with you as your lover, companion, and friend.
Loving you when life is peaceful and when it is painful.
During our successes and during our failures.
Supported by your strength and accepting your weaknesses.
I will honor your goals and dreams, trying always to encourage your fulfillment.
I will strive to be honest and open with you, sharing my thoughts in life with you.
I promise to love and cherish you from this day forward.
I promise to love and cherish you from this day forward.
Husband and wife, you may now kiss your bride.
Look at a million faces, never find one that gets to me. You're the warmth of my waking hours, you're the dream when I go to sleep. Stay with me, stay with me, 'cause I belong with you. It'd be wrong just to walk away when the road gets steeper. You're my song, won't you dance along? I'll be holding on, baby, you're my keeper. Baby, you're my keeper. We've had our fights, but we've never broken. We've been down this road before.
There's something special about these two. They go together without forcing it. They love one another without fighting it. And they care about each other without thinking about it.
You stay with me, 'cause I belong with you. It'd be wrong just to walk away when the road gets steeper. You're my song, won't you dance along? I'll be holding on, baby, you're my keeper.
She was the one from the very beginning. He changed for the better without realizing it, and we all could see it.
I'll fight to keep
you come be mine.